guys. I am fishing for carp again, but at a new spot. You've seen me here before if you go back in my videos, but I just haven't been here in a while. I just thought I'd give this place a try because I know it has carp. Just never carp here. I just never carp fish here before. So I'm gonna do my usual carp mix, and I actually saw some at the surface walking in, about a school of 6 of them, and I was thinking I should just drop my lines there, but I'll probably spook them. But right here where I'm at, it funnels into like a, just funnels into like a creek or like a river. Not really a river, but a creek. It's a wide open area over there. I saw them over there strolling along the banks, but I know they come through here and stuff like that. Either way, oh, I just poured this in the wrong cup. Either way, at least I poured it in the cup. My mind's been all over the place today. I forgot my other rod holder, which I was planning to get before I came here, but got distracted. And I was gonna get extra corn and extra jello and extra panko mix just in case I ran out. But I'm really gonna have to conserve, because I'm limited on time and on bait or bait mix. But I think it'll work out. That's one. That's a carp. Ooh, nice one. Can't believe I still have my bait on this right here too. Right there. God dang. Splattered my face like crazy. Alright. Yeah, what's up guys? I'm out here bait fishing before Saturday. It's Friday evening, about 3 o'clock. It's hot, so I'm under here. Rather be under this bridge fishing than out there in the sun, because man, it's hot out here. A lot of the times I'm gonna be trying to find some shade during the summertime, or have to go later at night, however I gotta do it. Whoa! Got one. Little baby one. Uh-oh. I have a double up. Man, I was just reeling up on this rod and it just took off. Woo! Ooh, that was a feisty one. Man. Woo. This sounds like a good one. Oh, he came off. Dang, he came off. Got one. Little baby one. Uh-oh. Might have a double up. Time to go catch some gar. Look at that. Alright guys, back at the river. It is high right now, man, so freaking high. Shit's crazy. Alright, get my rods in. Let's get to it. Oh snap, here we go. Hook 'em up, T, smoking fish. Here we go. How's it go? We got special guest, Real King.
Yeah, what up? What up?
I'm about to hit the river. Man, it's high right now, for sure.
Cutting up this good old cart, man. Hey, man, say, We out here finna get in here for to put my boy on some monsters, man.
Let's go. Alright, we're all gonna get baited up and see which one catches the first fish. Smoking fish, here we go.
Let's go. Oh, she dropped me! She dropped you!
Oh,
Dropped me! Oh,
damn.
no way! You know what I did something stupid? I tried to grab that string. She went under there. Yeah, ain't doing that no more. Over here, bro. I already been getting taps on both of them. For real? Yeah. Oh, look at that hook set. Perfect.
Right in the jaw.
See what I'm talking about? Golly. Oh my God, that hurt.
He probably just pulled her up, man.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, turn the camera around. And I thought it was a flathead, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I thought it was my PB flathead.
Look at that thing.
Serious, smoking fish, baby. That is a nice 4-footer. Probably 3.
It's time to set
Good
up.
job, dog.
Yeah, appreciate you, man. It's a nice little baby.
Yeah.
Alright, let's bring her up. Put that shit over here.
Alright guys, so I'm at another section of this pocket off this place. It's completely flooded. The dams are letting out a bunch of water. I'd say it's about 15 feet up above average or above normal. So shit. So I'm gonna give this point a shot, and if I don't catch anything, then it's gonna suck. But I have like 3 carp with me. Bait's not an issue, but finding a place to fish off the river is, because of how flooded it is. Tried the lower South Dallas spot. It was alright. Just wasn't on fire. And I'm trying here now. And I don't know what to expect from this point. I never fished this point before. We'll see how it goes. If I catch anything, I'll turn y'all back on. That feels like a gar. Come on, take it, take it. What is this? What's the blue? Wow. It's a nice blue. Guys, finally caught a blue. It's a feisty one. Put him back. Nice. Free bait. Throw it back out there. What's up, guys? Since I only caught one fish yesterday and I still had 2 carps in the freezer, or the bait that I had yesterday, I'm just trying to utilize it for this morning. See if I catch anything out of here. I'm trying to see if the morning bite is just as good as that night bite, which was really not that good, but we'll see. I just got here about 15 minutes ago. It's about 7:30 in the morning. I tried to come here earlier, but man, I was tired from yesterday. As soon as my 6:30 alarm went off, I was like, all right, I need to get up. And I had planned on 5 so I can get an early start, but I was tired. I'm gonna fish here. I'm gonna fish here until hopefully either one, I run out of bait, or I got some storms coming in, so I don't know. They don't look very bad. They look like they're just gonna probably roll over. Could be some light rain. Just not sure yet until it shows up. But I know it's gonna pass right over me. We'll see how that goes. Just waiting for the bite. This place is still flooded. I'm assuming it's gonna be flooded for about 2 weeks. Louisville's almost dropped down to its normal level, so once it's at its normal level, I don't know. I mean, we got a lot of rain coming in this week as well. Supposed to rain all day, Monday through Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. We just get a lot of rain these couple months. It's usually what happens in Texas. See how it goes. God dang it. Feels like a heavy fish. I know you still got it. You're just coming back my way. There we go. Come on, stay on. Stay on, baby. Oh snap, nice blue. Dang. Ooh. Wow. Not expect this. Nice. Here we go, guys. A nice chunky blue, man. Get that tail front. Alright, let's let him go. That was sick. I got 2 routes going at the same time. I got this one. This feels like a catfish. Mm-hmm.
What kind of fish is this?
Catfish. Yeah. Second fish or third fish of the morning? I actually can't remember. But they're coming through. Just need them to get a little bit bigger. Let's let them go. Oh, you got my nuts all wet. God. Splashing right in my nuts. God. Heck yeah. Man, they're only biting on this side too, which is crazy. Alright guys, I'm about to kill it. Call it a day. I got a lot of things to do today. I wish I would have got here earlier. I probably would have caught at least one more fish, but I still got all this bait left, but I'm gonna feed it to the river, and then one day the river will feed me back. Hopefully in a week, 2 weeks maybe, water will go back down, even though we're supposed to get some rain all this week. It's not really gonna help, but maybe I'll just have to pond fish for a little while, which is no big deal. hit some huge channels or finally break out my bass rod and show y'all that I can actually bass fish for once. Just haven't done it in a while. Been trying to find those big fish, man. Still on the hunt for a 7-foot gar. Thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciate it. See y'all next time. Peace. What's up, guys? So I just got confirmation that my order is ready for pickup at a Bass Pro Shop. So guess where I'm going? I'm gonna go to Bass Pro Shop, pick up my order, probably do a little shopping. I need some more hooks, weights, swivels. Probably walk out with more stuff than I need, along with the things that I'm picking up, and hopefully they're nice and ready. Stay tuned. I'll show y'all soon what I'm about to pick up. Alright, peace. Alright, guys, I got what I needed, but I mean, I got like already, my hands are full already. I need to get out of here. So let's go pick up these rods and reels, and let's get out of here if I just want to spend more money. Alright, guys, I hope y'all can hear me. Alright, so, and just some advice for anyone that buys anything online through Bass Pro or wherever. Make sure you always look at your stuff like before you even leave the store. So what I got, 3 more of these Penn rods, Penn combos, but these are the 7-footers. I just love them so much, guys. Like, they work well for me. I like them. I like the live liner. I was in the store for a little bit just testing them out, make sure the thing engages, the tensioner engages, you know, spin the reel, the spool, you know, make sure everything just works right. Check the drag on it, check everything, check the eyelids. Always want to make sure, because they came in boxes, and I was like, well, y'all can take them out, but I'm gonna look at them for a little bit, make sure these all look good. So